Now back in LA, you know, I'm
You're back.
having a
Who
good
you talking
time.
to?
Oh, the man!
Look.
Yeah, I think you're taking me to lunch right now.
Yeah, no. We're gonna go to lunch, but I can't. I didn't bring my wallet.
Well, I just got back from Vancouver, so I'm gonna go paper. And I can see your wallet.
He's in the Philippines.
I will.
You really will?
I will. Yeah. This is my guy here. Did the lunch
What
in.
is that, bro?
This is my camera. Remember
That's
this
the
one?
smallest camera I've ever
Yeah.
seen. People don't know what it looks like.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a.
Usually when they go to the airports, they would always grab this one. It's
Oh,
like, is that a
really?
gun?
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Like you're like
Yeah.
a daily vlog or what's happening?
Yeah, just you know, updates and whatever.
Like you put
I'm
it
just
up-
showing that I am
What?
having lunch with Ube.
Yeah. What? What's that?
A sweet day.
Oh my god. We're talking about Sophronio. Are you still filming?
Yeah, I am.
We're talking about our plan to
Conquer the world.
To conquer the world. You
Yeah.
know what? We need to see a voice champion who actually goes on to do big things. And so we're going to fulfill the. We're going to manifest that.
Yes.
Let's go pay for it.
Sure. Oh, you did ballet too?
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating pinakabagong video. At finally po is nakita na po natin na nagsama itong si Michael Bublé at si Sophronio Vasquez dahil medyo matagal-tagal na rin na hindi natin sila nakikita nga magsama after nung The Voice USA Season 26. So ngayon mga kapolitika ay marami po ang natuwa at bibigyan natin ito ng ating reaksyon dito sa videong ito. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At marami nga po ang natuwa na mga supporters at mga tagahanga ni Sophronio Vasquez. Ngayon finally ay nakita nakamit niya na itong si Michael Bublé for the first time after nung nanalo siya dito sa The Voice USA. So ngayon mga kapolitika ay marami ang mga nagsasabi na at excited sila na sana ay magkaroon ng collaboration si Michael dito kay Sophronio Vasquez dahil ito yung hinihintay, isa sa mga hinihintay talaga na pagkakataon or chance ng mga supporters ni Sophronio na one day sa live event ni Sophronio ay makita natin itong si Michael na kasama niya na nagpe-perform. So siguro dito sa kanilang pag-uusap ay marami silang natalakay at isa na nga dito ang future na mga projects ni Sophronio at itong si Michael. So we are hoping mga kapolitika na sana isa sa kanilang napag-usapan ay ang concert nila or performance, live performance dito sa Maynila or sa Pilipinas. Kasi marami po ang nagre-request talaga na sana one day ay dito naman sa Pilipinas magtatanghal si Sophronio together ng kanyang coach na si Michael Bublé. Okay? So kayo po ba ay natutuwa at happy dito sa bagong development na ito? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.